this is Jonathan. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Banana operating system. So it's basically a very simple installation. Banana operating system is a 32-bit operating system that was made as a hobby. So it includes some applications such as a Minesweeper, a photo viewer and solitaire. So it does come with some utilities. Here are some system requirements. We need to have 486 or better CPU. We need to have 12 megabytes or more RAM. We need to have 64 megabytes hard disk space, floppy or CD drive for installation, VGA compatible displays, which basically is every single computer that will probably got in more apartments. So it's basically any computer that was made since the 1990s will be able to run this operating system without any issues. And so as you guys can see, we can run Minesweeper. Okay, so to install it, just go to the code up here on this button, download zip, and then once you have unzipped it, there should be an installer file. Just select install, and then from here you'll be able to grab the ISO, and you guys can write it to a USB, or you guys could boot up to any virtualization software that we've got. Third to box, I did have issues with it. It just froze on me once I actually start booting up. I could see the installer, but it literally just froze on me. With unknown disks, it kept on showing up a bunch of errors, but I was able to get it installed with QEMU virtual machine. Okay, let's get started with installing the operating system once you guys know where the ISO is. Okay, so let me go ahead and boot up to the virtualization software. Actually, I want to close out of that. Let me go for terminal, and then once I'm here, I'll be able to type down this command and just basically just open it for me, as you guys can see. Oh no, I forgot to press on enter. Hold on, let me do that again. Press on enter key. Okay, cool. Now we are here. So you just boot it up from the ISO image, as you guys can see in the terminal, banana.iso. Okay, welcome to Banana setup. Congratulations on choosing Banana. The operating system most likely cause you great pain. Setup will determine if Banana can run on this computer and then install Banana onto it. Just to proceed, press enter. To turn back before it's too late, press escape. Press on the enter key, or you guys can press on to escape to quit while running this virtual machine, so I don't really care. Okay, it's checking if the hardware requirements are good. Press on the enter key. Cool. So this gives you an error. Just press on the enter key. Press on it again. Press it again. Okay, cool. Your hard drives and master boot record is corrupt or non-existent. Setup can overwrite it with a new one, but all existing data on the entire drive will be lost. Press enter. Now we have to press on to Shift and X. Okay, so we're here now. So what I'll do firstly is that I'm going to go to the partition 1. I'll go ahead and delete it. Now do press onto the Shift and X, and if you see for free space, just press on the C, and that should allow us to create a new partition. So let me just press on the enter key because I want to use up all of the storage. Okay, that one is active. That's looking good. So to activate it, just press onto A, and that should basically set the partition to being active. So we've got partition 1, which is currently active. That is great. Okay. Now I do believe we just have to press on the enter key. Okay, cool. And now all we need to do now is press onto the Shift and I key to install it, and that should start. To start formatting it, and then it will install it. So just let it finish formatting. It shouldn't take too long. So basically, once it has finished formatting, what it will do now is it's going to start copying some files. So this won't take long either. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so basically once it has finished installing and formatting the hard drive and installing the operating system, all I need to do now is press on the enter key to start Banana operating system. So it's just gonna boot up to the hard drive. Okay, cool. Starting Banana. Okay, so from here we'll be able to set up the name the company will work for. So you guys can leave it blank, or you guys can slip it for company name. This won't matter, but I'm just going to change the name to being John because that's my name. Press on the enter key to go to the next step. I press on to again. I don't really have a company. I will set my password to being 123 123. Press on the enter key, and that will take you to the button that says OK. You guys can press on the enter key to submit. Okay, cool. Please enter the current date and time and then press enter. This is looking correct. Actually, it's not looking correct. It's currently 11. Well, let me just change this one to being, okay, let me change this one to being 23. So, yeah, that would be more right, isn't it? And today is indeed the 23rd of June. So that's looking good. So I'm going to just press on the enter key. Cool, so over here we'll be able to set up a time zone. So just scroll all the way down over to your country. So for example, if we live in we have Alaska. So if you guys are living in Alaska, then all you guys need to do is just select Alaska. And there's also mountain time, there's Arizona, there's Mexico City, so they have like different time zones on here. So I'm just going to select Alaska as an example. Just pretend I live in Alaska. So I'll just select this one. So please select the user interface you want Banana to boot into by default when they start the computer. So I'll be able to boot to a graphical interface, or goes to be able to boot to the command line. I would recommend to boot to a graphical interface. I will go and select the VESA, or guys can select a VGA. I'm going to select this one. Press on the enter key. Please enter your product key below and then press enter. It's fine for now. You just don't need to really worry about that. It should still work. Okay, so now it's going to finalize the installation. Please wait while the install finishes, so I can be doing more installing. So this shouldn't take too long. The installation has been completed. Please press enter to restart your computer and start Banana. So I'm going to click onto the enter key to actually restart. Starting Banana. It's just loading up the system right now. This shouldn't take too long. It's quite a lightweight operating system. Set your username. Now enter your password, then press on the enter key, and hopefully that does load up. Finding video mode supported by your video card. Okay, looks like it was able to pick me up. That is looking great. Let me just do Ctrl-Alt-G, and then from here I should be able to drag the window. And it's quite a big screen though, not gonna lie, but here it is. It's literally working right now. Here's two untitled windows. It's quite too big of a screen though. I want to change it if I can. Wait, can we zoom out? Okay, we can zoom out. So you guys should be able to zoom out like so. Let me just zoom in, and now you guys should see a screen like this. And this is me installing Banana OS. If you like this video, please put a like and please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.